Everybody, this is how I make my dog food recipe every single day. I vary it because I know the list of what dogs can eat. If you don't know what they can eat, Google it. But for greens, I get a big old bag of cheap kale. In here I already have 1 cup of rice and some ground turkey. I'm making some ground turkey for the whole week. I'll put in 1 spoon of bacon fat just because it's winter time right now. I put in a little turmeric for Sargie's back legs. Not every time, just once in a while. Sweet potato, I have some celery and carrots, so I'm throwing that in. I'm going to put it in for 4 minutes, let it natural release for 15. It's done. Let it cool down. I separate between 2 dogs. Thank you.